Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how we can lock the cell, range, column, and row. Let's get started. You can see that we have amount and percentage in the sheet. To calculate the value, we will use the formula amount multiply percentage. When we copy this formula and paste it down, you'll notice that the results are not as expected. If you press F2 on the formula, you can see that the percentage reference has shifted downward along with the formula, which is causing the incorrect result. To fix this, we will lock the percentage reference using the F4 key. You can see that $2 signs appear in the reference, which means the reference is now locked. Now, copy and paste the formula. You can see that the results are correct. However, if we copy and paste the formula to the right side, you will notice that the results are still incorrect. So, what is the reason for this? If you press the F2 key, you can see that the percentage reference has not moved to the 4% reference, of course, because it is locked. But the amount reference has shifted to the next column, even though it should remain the same. Let's try locking the amount reference as well and see the result. Oops! The result is still incorrect. So how do we fix this? In this case, we will not lock the entire cell. Instead, we will lock only the row or the column for that specific cell. Now, let's see how we can do that. In the first reference, we will lock only column A, not the row. This is because we want the reference to move down when the formula is copied and pasted below, but it should not shift to the right. To lock column A, press the F4 key 3 times. The first time you press F4, the sign appears for both column A and row 2, which means the entire cell is locked. Press F4 a second time, and the sign appears only before row 2, meaning the row is locked. Press F4 one more time, and you'll see the sign appear before column A, which means column A is locked. We will do the same with the second reference. Press the F4 key 2 times to lock row 1. Now copy and paste the formula using Ctrl+D to fill down and Ctrl+R to fill to the right. To check whether the correct references are being used, press the F2 key on any cell. You can see that the formula is working exactly as expected. Let's look at another way to lock a cell and arrange. In this example, we have working hours and an hourly rate. We will multiply the working hours by the hourly rate. First, try using a normal formula and then copy and paste it. You'll notice the same problem. The reference for the hourly rate moves down along with the formula. Now let's lock the reference, but this time we'll do it in a different way. Select the cell you want to lock, then go to the name box. Change the name of the cell. I am putting the name as hourly rate. Then press enter. Now, try the calculation again. You'll see that the cell is automatically locked. Now let's take a look at how to lock a range. We'll use the COUNTIF function. Type equals COUNTIF, select the range, then select the criteria and press enter. Now paste the formula down using Ctrl+D. You'll notice that the range reference also moves downward along with the formula. Now let's lock the range. Go to the formula, select the range reference, and press the F4 key to lock both the starting and ending references. You can see that the range is now locked. The second way is similar to locking a cell using a name. Select the range, go to the name box, give the range a name, and press enter. Now try the formula again, type equals COUNTIF, select the named range, select the criteria, and press enter. You can see that the range is locked this time. The third way to lock a range is by selecting the entire column. Let's try it. Type equals COUNTIF, select the column by clicking on the column header, then select the criteria and press enter. You can see this method works as well. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips.